Hello everyone, welcome to LRDIprep. My name is Samir Sardana and I'm going to start last 5 years of CAT paper series, and I'm going to cover CAT 19 slot 1 questions of percentages. This is episode number 1 of CAT 19 slot 1. And we are going to solve questions with 1 minute 1 question approach. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel to cover 100% syllabus of CAT and other MBA entrance exam preparation. Let's have a look at the question number 1 of percentage, a very simple and easy question. There were 3 questions on percentages that were asked in 19 slot 1. All 3 questions are based on the basic concept of percentage. If you know the basics of percentage, that means if you know the definition of the word percentage, you can solve all of these questions without equations, without any formula. Question number 1 says, in a class 60% of the students are girls. In a class 60% of the students are girls and the rest are the boys. There are 30 more girls than boys. So that means if I say the number of girls are 60%, that means the number of boys will be 40%. So can I say the number of girls and the number of boys are 3 in the ratio of 3:2? And because the difference between the number of girls and the number of boys is given to you as 30, that means the number of girls are 90 and the number of boys are 60. So can I say the total number of students in the class are 150, and because it says 60% of the students, including 30 boys, pass an examination. Now 68% of the students are passing the examination. That includes 30 boys. Can I also say, now if I find out 68% of 150, I'll get the number of students passing the examination. 15 into 68 divided by 10 would be 102. These are number of students who are passing the examination. That includes both boys and girls. So out of 102 boys and girls, that 30 boys. So can I say the number of girls passing the examination would be 72. If the number of girls passing the examination are 72, what are the number of girls who are not passing the examination? How many students appear in the examination? 90. If I'm saying that out of 90 students, 72 are passing, 18 are not passing, this is what I'm supposed to find out. What percentage of the whole class is not passing the examination? So 1 out of 5 girls are not passing the examination, which in terms of percentage will be equal to 20%, and that's the correct answer of the question. You see that? It's a very simple question, guys. It's free marks for CAT 19 slot 1, guys. Question number 2, a marks based question. Whenever you're solving a marks based question on percentage, always do it on number line. How? Let me give the approach on it. Assume it that this is a number line. This represents your total marks. And when I say the Meena is scoring 40% in examination, just assume a position for Meena. Let's say Meena lies over here. This is a position of Meena which is at 40%. And after review, even though her score is increased by 50%, now the scores of Meena get improved by 50%. Now if I improve the score by 50%, 50% of 40% will be 20%. So can I say the new marks of Meena would be 60%. So this is where Meena will lie now. These are the marks of Meena after review. Now after getting 60% marks, she still get failed by 35. Now tell me, if I'm saying that Meena is failing by 35, so the passing point will be on the right hand side of the Meena's marks or left hand side? It will obviously be on the right hand side, because even after getting 60%, she is still failing by 35 marks. So can I say this is the passing point, and this value between the difference between this point and this point will definitely be of 35 marks, not of percentage. Now next it says her post review score is further increased by 20%. Now Meena's review marks are 60%, and this marks are getting improved by 20%. Now 20% of 60% is 12%. If I improve these marks by 12%, the new marks of Meena would be 72. And after getting 72% of the total marks, she is having 7 more marks than the passing score. 7 more than the passing, that means the 72% point will definitely be on the right hand side of passing, because Meena now have 7 more marks than the passing marks. So can I say this will be the new point for Meena's mark, that is 72%, and this is 7 marks ahead of passing. Now see that difference between these two is 12. Now this line, you can see that if this whole line is 42, 35 will be on this side, 7 will be on this side. Or can I say the whole line is divided in the ratio of 5:1? That means if I assume that this whole line is 6%, then 5% will be on this side and 1% will be on this side. But the total you can see here from this point to this point in terms of percentage is 12%. So divide 12% the ratio 5:1, 10% mark will be on this side and 2% mark will be on this side. Now because I'm supposed to find out the passing marks, it would be 60% plus 10%. That means the passing marks in the examination will be 70%, and that's the D option. This is the correct answer of the question. A simple, easy and straightforward question without assuming X, without assuming total number of marks as equal to 100, you can do this question. Here is the next question, number 3 on the percentage, guys. Let's have a look at it. Again, a simple question, right? There were 3 questions on the percentage came in CAT that came in CAT 2021. CAT 2019 slot 1. The income of Amala is 20% more than that of Bimala. Income of Amala is 20% more than that of Bimala. Because Amala's income is given with respect to Bimala, can I say Bimala income is 100? So in that case, Amala income would be 120. And 20% less than that of Kamala. And income of Amala is 20% less than that of Kamala. 20% less than that of Kamala. That means whatever is the income of Kamala, 80% of that income is equal to Amala's income. You see that this cancel it on 15. So Kamala income would be 150. Can I say Kamala's income would be 150? Now Kamala's income goes down by 4%. If I decrease this value by 4%, 4% of 150 is 6. So decrease it by 6. The new marks of Kamala will be 144. And Bimala's goes up by 10%. The new income of Bimala's goes up by 10%. So that means Bimala's income would be 110. Now you see that I'm supposed to find out the percentage by which Kamala's income would exceed that of Bimala is nearest to. You see that Kamala's income is how much more? It is 34 more as compared to 110. So 34 more as compared to 110 is 340 by 11, and 340 by 11 would be 30.9. So because we are not supposed to find out the exact answer, we are supposed to find out this value is nearest to 31. That would be the correct answer of the question, guys. 3 questions, simple, straightforward, easy questions, free marks for everybody who have appeared for CAT 19 slot 1. Basics of percentage have been used. Every year you will find minimum 2 questions on percentages, guys, right? Guys, on Unacademy Plus, you can use this referral code to get the Plus subscription. On this Telegram group, Target Cat with me, the link of which is given in the description part of the video, you will find 300 plus special class links, completely free special classes that can help you in covering 100% of your syllabus. Join the Telegram group, link is given in the description part of the video. Bumper offer for CAT 2021 students is going on. If you go for a 6-month subscription now, you'll get subscription till CAT 2021. In addition to that, you can get a 10% off on Plus subscription if you use the code LRDI Summit Live. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next part. Thanks a lot.